SASE Architecture. Let's understand the architecture. Imagine 3 layers. Layer 1. Users, branches, remote workers, mobile devices, IoT devices. Layer 2. The global SASE cloud. This cloud contains SD-WAN, Firewall, Secure Web Gateway, CASB, Zero Trust, Threat Prevention, DNS Security. Layer 3. Applications, AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, Microsoft 365, Salesforce, private data centers. Traffic always connects to the nearest SASE point of presence. Security inspection happens there. Only clean traffic reaches the application. Let's follow one packet. A user opens Microsoft Teams. The laptop sends traffic. The SD-WAN edge identifies the application. Traffic is encrypted. It reaches the nearest SASE cloud. Identity verification occurs. Security policies are checked. Malware scanning begins. URL filtering is applied. Threat intelligence is consulted. If everything is safe, traffic continues to Microsoft Teams. Responses return through the optimized path. The user experiences fast, secure connectivity. If you like this video, please share and subscribe our channel. This is just a short video overview. If you want to master SASE from scratch, including architecture, packet flow, real enterprise examples, best practices, common mistakes, and interview questions, watch the full video on my YouTube channel, SASE Cloud Networking. The link is in the description and pinned comment. See you there.